Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The tiger lost their nerves. At night, he came to the poacher's capture and arranged an incredible. Young Vladimir spends his winter vacation every year in his uncle's house in the countryside. The young man loves animals a lot, and for this he goes to the village near the forest to see the wild animals there. Vladimir believes that there are no wild and predatory animals in nature, as some believe, and that all animals are peaceful and gentle, and that they are violent only if attacked. The young man went to his uncle's house, and there he met his cousin, whom he had much understanding with. They are considered close friends, and they go out every day to wander in the woods. Winter was very difficult that year, as snow was constantly falling, which made it difficult for the youth Judy to move around and walk in the snow. There was some news about a huge Siberian tiger that came to the forest to the village where Vladimir resides, which caused many of the villagers feel danger. It attacks any prey, and kills it in a matter of seconds. There was a notorious hunter living in the village. He was abusing animals. This greedy hunter hunts and kills these animals and sells their skin to arrest them and sell them in the rare animal market where he earns huge money. The hunter is rich and he has a great power in the village and even in the neighboring cities, which made everyone turn a blind eye to what he is doing, and they are only satisfied with watching as he breaks the law. The hunter built a luxury home full of valuables and owned the most luxurious cars. When this hunter heard the news of the huge Siberian tiger that came to the woods, he decided to hunt him because he knew that his skin was very precious. Vladimir's intention prevents the hunter from hunting him and decided to go to the woods to find the tiger. The two young men found the giant tiger, shocking when they first saw it wandering among the trees in the forest. The tiger did not look violent and fierce as others described it, but rather it was calm. Vladimir approaches the tiger, although his cousin warned him, because this monster would not leave any chance for him to survive. The young man decided to approach the animal and touch it, but the tiger remained looking at him and did not react. It was clear for the two young men that the tiger is good and does not harm others. The next day, the two returned to the woods to visit the tiger again. As they were searching for him in the woods, they heard the sound of gunfire, which terrified them. Then they ran toward the source of that shot, and there they found the tiger falling to the ground, and the greedy hunter was next it. He hit him in the back leg with a bullet that forced him to fall to the ground, then called out to his comrades and transported him to his house. The two young men continued to follow these men until they reached the hunter's house, where he brought the tiger into a small hut in the yard of his house. But the two young men decided to save the tiger before it was too late. The two young men crept into the hut, so they tied the tiger and helped him out. And then they moved him to the uncle's house, where did they heal and take care of him. And in the early morning, they took him to the forest. The hunter felt very angry and began looking for the one who held the tiger. And after days of investigation, he discovered that the two young men, Vladimir and his cousin, had released him. The man decided to punish them, as he asked his companions to arrest the two young men. The tiger suddenly entered the door of the house and then attacked the hunter and his men, causing severe wounds and fractures, and then moved to the house, where he destroyed all the furniture. The scene was terrible. The tiger takes revenge and saves the two young men who saved his life from death.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.